Welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm taking you to Tasmania. It was on my bucket list for a long time. We reached Hobart around 11 p.m. due to weather and flight delays. A pro tip, if you are traveling alone, you can get a bus ticket for $22. If you are with family or friends, you can get an Uber to the city for only $40. We were so tired, so we went to bed straight. The next day, we picked up our car in the morning and headed towards Bruny Island. You can stay there for a night or two, but we only did a day trip. The ferry is $42 for return trip. You don't have to book it online. We had a couple of stops in Bruny Island. What we noticed there was the weather is very unpredictable and changing frequently. So if you go there, go prepared. If it's a nice day, you can go for a swim. Our last stop was Cape Bruny Lighthouse, which closes at 4 p.m. In this clip, you can see how it's sunny, cloudy, and raining at the same time. Without wasting time, we headed back to Hobart. Our last stop for the day was Mount Wellington, which is just 20 minutes drive from the city. It is 1270 feet high and you can see the whole Hobart from there. It started raining on the way. When we reached the top, we were shocked to find -1 degree up there on a summer day. In winter, it's total white wonderland and it's a must watch. We wanted to stay there until the sunset, but due to the cold weather, we returned sooner than planned. After some dinner, we went to bed to prepare ourselves for our next day's adventure. Thanks for watching Tasmania Part 1 until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos of this series.